Hello, beauties. My name's Britta Plug. I'm a holistic esthetician and beauty educator, and we're going to do some facial massage to let go of some holiday stress today. So we'll be focusing on 3 areas: the jaw, between the eyebrows, and the temples. To get started, make sure you have clean hands, clean face, and you've applied some product for slip and glide, some oil, some balm, or other type of product that will allow you to massage and glide along the face. So we're going to be using our knuckles for some of this massage. And even though we're using knuckles, it's really a soft, gentle, self-loving energy and just utilizing our hands as massage tools in a way where we can use a bit of pressure without using a whole lot of effort. You're going to want to make sure when you're working on the jaw as well that you're not actively clenching, that you have a little bit of space between your teeth as we are working on the jaw. So bringing the knuckles of the first 2 fingers right below the cheekbone towards the hairline, and we're going to glide down with a little bit more pressure and return back up with less pressure. Breathing deeply. Again, a little bit more pressure as we go down and returning up. Next, come to that starting position right below the end of the cheekbone and press inward, doing some pressure point circles. Come down a little bit on the jaw muscle. The jaw muscle is here. And some more circles. Next, coming up to in between the eyebrows. Skip this if you have Botox. Staying with the knuckles, we're going to circle over the entire area, moving down and up. Okay, now we're going to use the sides of our index fingers to pull apart, undoing the furrow, releasing worry. And now that we've worked on 2 of these major areas where we tend to hold a lot of tension in the face, we're going to just soothe the temples using your fingertips to lightly circle up, down, and back. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this massage.